Had to baptize my rings, yeah. Had to baptize my chains, yeah. Had to baptize my rings. I had to baptize my chains. I had to baptize my rings. I had to baptize my chains. I had to baptize my rings. I had to baptize my chains. All this blood, all this blood, all this blood, yeah, getting in the way. All this blood, all this blood, all this blood, yeah, be getting in the way. I live, I live, I live, I live. All this gold in your face, and I know them niggas hate, and I ain't worried about a motherfucking thing. I'm just thinking it's a G code playing in the game. Give these niggas 2 sides, 2 streets. These niggas wanna have cake, yeah. These niggas sweet, they like cake, yeah. Hit them with that cake. Hit them with that nigga cake. Nigga, all of this gold, all of this blood in your face, all of this chains, all this swag in your face. I'm swagging out every day. Ain't nobody playing. No, ain't nobody playing with these motherfuckers in Colombia. I got something to say. All of this gold and this blood in the way. You don't understand what I'm saying. I had to baptize my wings. I had to baptize my chains. My chains, I'ma still go and do my thing. I'm a Colombia icon, the Colombia. This gold and this blood, yeah, ain't getting in the way. Heavy success on today and forever and ever always. 303,000 for the come up for the bill, bruh. Now you gon' see me on bills, bruh. I'm making bills, bruh. Cover niggas up with blue tape, black tape, gray tape. It don't even matter. They hating on my swagger. Why you hate? But all this gold in your face, all that blood in the way, all this gold in your face, yeah. I have to baptize my rings, yeah. Have to baptize my chains, yeah. This is bang music.